Hey, Chloe, this force field is pretty neat, but are you sure we need it?
Better safe than sorry. I got it at the oddity shop. Otto said it's really powerful, so in case something goes wrong, we won't blow up Beach.
Okay, great. So, can you just open the chest already? I want to get all the shiny rocks and treasure, and maybe there's a cool crown that I can wear.
Beans, I told you, we need to take our time and wait for everyone. Oh, there you all are. Beans and I think we did it. We think we found the treasure of Banana Beard.
Open it, open it, open it, open it.
Hold on, Beans. Banana Beard was one tricky pirate.
How tricky could he be? He sunk his pirate ship right over there.
Pirates take treasure very seriously. Let me examine it. Okay. Yep. I left my blacklight back in the basement. I needed to examine the chest before we open it. I'll be right back. Beans, whatever you do not open this chest.
So I should open the chest, right? Okay, first of all, this was not my fault.
Yes, free! I'm finally free! My ghostly prison be no more, and now it's time to settle scores. Me crew, they stole my treasures three, a blunderbuss, cutlass, and medallion, you see. They took what's mine by pirate's rights, and fled away into the night. Go find three objects gone astray, go dig them up without delay. And if you help me get what's mine, then half me treasure shall be thine.
What's a cutlass?
Me sword. They stole me sword, me blunderbuss, and me medallion.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Your crew stole your treasure and you want us to find it? Why should we give it up to you when we could just keep it?
Keep me treasure? Yeah!
What are you doing?
You want to see your friend once more? Follow me clues and settle me scores. This picture here will lead you true. Go dig nearby, that be a clue. Find my three objects, those be mine. Hurry now, there's not much time. My give me word, but then your friend I will return. No treasure? Arr. A clever trick me crew did weave. An empty chest meant to deceive. You found a chest, alas no gold. But don't lose heart, be brave, be bold. This here image, it be the clue. Go dig there and find treasure true. Yeah! Me strength returns, me spirits rise, me medallion's back, you found me prize. Now look at the image. That be the clue. You found one object. Now find the last two. Yeah! You found me medallion and me blunderbuss too. Now just one left. Follow the clue. Bring me the cutlass sharp and bright, and half me treasure's yours by right. You found all three, your debt be paid. A deal's a deal, just as we made. Upon my ship you'll find your fate. For that beware my treasure waits. You proved yourself both bold and true, so half me treasure goes to you. Avast, me monkey! Second star to the right and straight on till morning. Oh, yeah, that's right. I almost forgot.
Hey, listen, let's just keep this between you and me. Do not tell Chloe I open, I gotta go. Bye.
and find my treasure before my crew finds it first.